Alrighty, so this is our product. So let's first of all create an account. So alrighty, so we're gonna call our account Bob or Boar. That works too. And then the password's gonna be Roar, Boar, and Roar. There we go. Alrighty, so we created an account. Let's save the password so we can log in quickly. Log in. Alrighty, so our website has mainly two functionalities. You can either listen to Spotify or watch YouTube. So let's listen to Spotify.
So when you log into Spotify, we get an auth token and we get access to the user's Spotify library, so we can see all of their saved playlists, whether those are ones they made themselves or ones they saved from other people. So in this drop-down menu, we can select whatever music we feel is appropriate for the work side of the website. Here you can go ahead and demonstrate that works. Okay, perfect. And it's all doubled on each side and it's independent. So you can make your break actually feel like a break and make your work time as effective as possible. We can also watch a YouTube video while we're working. So you just put in whatever URL you want.
That's not a URL.
And then just press play video to get that started. If you want to save this video for later, you can put in the URL and put in the name you'd like to remember it by, and then just click save. And that goes into a user-specific list, so you can access any past videos. So to show that, we'll get another link. And save that one.
We don't actually have to save it. I can just play it.
Yeah. And then, so now you can show that it goes back to the explosion if you want it to. Now we're actually gonna show the timer. So just put in a few seconds. The rest side will be 1/3 of the time of the work side, regardless of the amount of time you put in. So for this amount of time, we're gonna have a 4-second rest. And when the time's up, we'll transition over to whatever music or video we want on that side. But we're only gonna have 4 seconds this time.
Yeah.
Now I'll pass it over to Daniel to talk about databasing in the admin page.
So in our database, we primarily store user information. So we store their username as well as a hash of their password, which we use bcrypt for. And we also store whether or not they're an admin. So if our account Boar tries to go to the admin page, they will immediately be redirected to the main page. Whereas if Yuri logs out and logs back in with one of our group members' accounts, with his own account, he will be able to access the admin page. And so on our admin page, we just have all the database information listed out in tables. So we have users, videos, and then we also have a child entity to show which user each video is associated with. And we can also delete users. So if Yuri deletes Boar, it'll delete that user as well as the videos stored with that account. And now Yan is going to finish off by talking about our customization we added.
Okay, for customization, if the users don't like our background, the default background, the bamboo one, user can change the wall page that we provide. Considering different user has different favorite style for their background, we provide different kind of style background to let user choose, like our logo, like the cartoon style and the real animal picture. Also, because of our clock name, we put some special background, the Chinese ink painting style, to let the user to choose.